What if I told you? In just a few days, humans are about to crash a rocket into the moon, not in a movie, not as a NASA experiment, but completely by accident. And scientists around the world are actually excited to watch it happen. Here's the story. Back in January 2025, SpaceX launched a Falcon 9 rocket carrying 2 lunar landers. One belonged to Firefly Aerospace. The other belonged to the Japanese company ispace. The mission was a success. The landers continued toward the moon, but the Falcon 9's upper stage, the part of the rocket that delivered them into space, was left drifting through space. Normally, spent rocket stages fall back to Earth and burn up in the atmosphere. This one never did. Instead, it entered a huge orbit around Earth that stretched more than 500,000 kilometers into space, even farther than the moon itself. For the next 18 months, it quietly wandered through space. Then, something unexpected happened. The combined gravity of the Earth, the moon, and even the sun slowly changed its path. Now, astronomers believe it's on a collision course with the moon, and unless something changes, it will crash into the lunar surface on August 5th, 2026. What's fascinating is, SpaceX isn't doing this on purpose. This isn't a planned mission. It's simply space junk following the laws of physics. The object was discovered by independent astronomer Bill Gray, who has spent years tracking spacecraft using his Project Pluto software. After analyzing more than 1,000 observations, he concluded with high confidence that the rocket stage will strike the moon. So, how big is this thing? The rocket stage is about 45 feet long and weighs several tons, and because the moon has virtually no atmosphere, it won't burn up like it would on Earth. Instead, it will slam directly into the lunar surface at around 8,700 kilometers per hour. That's roughly 5,400 miles per hour, or about 7 times the speed of sound. The impact is expected to happen near Einstein Crater, close to the moon's western edge. No, the moon isn't in danger. It gets hit by natural meteoroids all the time. Many of them travel much faster than this rocket. This impact won't change the moon's orbit. It won't crack the moon. And it poses absolutely no danger to Earth. So why are scientists so excited? Because this accident has become a rare scientific opportunity. When the rocket crashes, researchers expect it to create a brand new crater and blast nearly 13,000 kilograms of lunar dust and rock into the air. That giant cloud of debris could remain visible through powerful telescopes for around 90 seconds. If conditions are perfect, it could become the first time humans observe an artificial impact plume on the moon's sunlit side. That's something we've never seen before. Scientists hope to learn how lunar dust behaves, how craters form, and what future missions need to know as more countries and private companies begin exploring the moon. Because this isn't just about one rocket. Over the next decade, NASA, China, the European Space Agency, and companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin all plan to send more missions to the moon. That means more rockets, more spacecraft, and potentially more space junk. Many experts now argue that future rocket stages should be sent into safe solar orbits instead of being left drifting through Earth-Moon space. Otherwise, accidental impacts like this could become much more common. So here's the question. Is this actually a problem? Or should we use these accidental crashes to learn more about the moon? Comment problem if you think space junk needs stricter rules. Or comment science if you think events like this are valuable opportunities for research. Because one thing is certain. The next time you look up at the moon, remember this. Somewhere on its surface, a piece of a SpaceX rocket is about to leave humanity's newest footprint.